tips which we have been, which we have experienced in our multiple projects as such, and then we'll take question and answers. With that agenda, let us start with what is diagnostics and why we need it. So basically, the understanding of diagnostics is very simple. It is to monitor something. It is to know the behavior of something. And in the context of application, it is to monitor your application and know the behavior. So for that, we have a diagnosis. We can actually go through logs, event logs, and information which the application is throwing. I mean, it is kind of a health test of that application. And every human being generally, most of the times, we are also doing these kind of things. We are, monitoring our own health by, symptoms, or sometimes we actually go and do blood tests and those kind of things. Exactly similar things. This is what diagnostics. Why we need it? It is actually a strategy for monitoring the application, recording any problems. Not necessarily you would upfront know that there is going to be a problem. So these are the mechanisms by which we would come to know if there is a problem. And if we know the problem, we should get more information, enough information to help diagnose or analyze that problem. And specifically, this is nothing to do about curing that problem. It is nothing to do about solving that problem. It is just the information about that problem. Logging and tracing, generally it helps in diagnosis. Every application needs to do the instrumentation. That is what we call it, logging and tracing. We should also have exception management, event logging, tracing, multiple mechanisms, which is like just notifying about what is going on inside the application. Performance counters, it is actually a representation of the runtime state or health of system on which the application is running, and both. So that is why what the diagnostics is, and